Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about radian and STERADIan. Radian is the unit of plane angle. Let we have a circle of center C and radius R. If a line lies just above the radial line, it is at a 0-degree angle, and another line is at 90 degree. When I add 90, I get 180 degree and 270 degree, and with incomplete rotation, we will have 360 degrees. The total length of the boundary bounding the circular shape is the circumference of the circle. So the total circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Let me consider another radial line which cuts the circumference of the circle, an arc, and the length of arc is s, and the angle subtended at the center of a circle is theta. The relation between length of arc and the radius of the circle is s equals to r theta. This implies that theta equals to s by r, where theta is the plane angle in 2D. As I already discussed that in one complete rotation there are 360 degrees, and the complete rotation comprises of total length of arc, that is 2 pi r. So theta is 2 pi r by r, where r cancels out and we get 2 pi radians in complete rotation. Radian is the SI unit of the plane angle. Again, we are considering r theta, where theta is angle subtended at the center of the circle, and r is the radius of the circle, and finally s is the length of r. So we may define radian as if the length of arc becomes equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle subtended at the center of the circle is 1 radian. That is, as we know that theta is s by r, that is the ratio between s and r. When s becomes equal to r and r cancels out, and we get 1 radian. Now we will observe how to convert degrees to radian and radian to degrees. As we know that in one rotation there are 360 degrees, that is 2 pi radians. If we take 2 common from both sides of the equation, we get 180 degree equals to 1 pi radian. 1 degree becomes equals to pi by 180 radians. And similarly, 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degrees. So dear students, I am putting few questions here for you to solve using these relations. Please pause the video and write down these quizzes on your notepad and solve it yourself. Secondly, solid angle, it is a 3D shape. It is a part of sphere. Now again we are considering a sphere, and we cut a cone, 3-dimensional cone out of the sphere. The base area of the cone is A, and it is circular in shape. Cone which be taken out from the sphere, the apex of the cone lies right above the center of the sphere. So the angle subtended by the cone at the center of the sphere is the type of solid angle. If we consider a base area of the cone as capital A, so the angle subtended at the center of the sphere is sigma. So sigma equals to area by square of r. Total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. It is known from geometry. So total number of STERADIANs in complete sphere would be sigma equals to 4 pi r square by r square, and here r square cancels out with r square, and we get 4 pi STERADIAN in complete sphere. Again, STERADIAN is SI unit of solid angle. Here I have shaded green the circular base of the cone. It is the total surface area, and sigma is solid angle, and r is the radius of the sphere. So how can we define one STERADIAN? So the surface area subtend an angle at the center of the sphere is solid angle if the surface area becomes equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. That is, A becomes equal to square of r. So from the above discussion, we may conclude that sigma equals to A by R square. That is R square by R square. R square cancels out and we get 1 steradian. Thank you viewers for watching us.